When I was a little boy, I remember meeting a unicorn. He was like, Sky, don't tell anybody that we met. And I was like, homeboy, I got you. Guys, Lucky Charms shots. And these real Lucky Charms, okay? I know, because I've been eating them. Okay. This right here is blue icing, okay? We're gonna put a little squirt of blue icing on. You're going, what does blue icing have to do with this, Sky? Homeboy, it all begins with the ice. Okay, now we're going through with some, just making sure we get that blueness everywhere. Then we come down in here. Look at this gooey goodness, guys. Bang. Tap, 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 put that down. Bang. All right, homeboy, ice! Now we're gonna begin with some strawberry vodka. Think of it as Putin flavored, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You come behind with white chocolate liqueur. Who would drink this? I don't know, Louis XIII, okay? Hey, I'm the King of France. All right? So you come in now with a little bit of that. Louis needs a little bit of color, okay? The man didn't wear all white. Okay, you see what Louis looked like with his little boutique, with his little shoes with the heels and stuff, okay? That dude was wearing red bottoms before you women. Okay, now we come behind with some strawberry liqueur. Just get a little bit in there, add some color. But you know what this needs? Milk. And now let's squeeze out some strawberry milk. Hey, this milk's white, it's not pink. I mean, the strawberry turns it pink. Shake! There are two colored drinks I like, pink or blue, okay? No in between. Topping off whatever excess will fall. Come on. Oh yeah! That's gonna be super foamy because it's got milk in it and I really shook her up. You see? You see what we did there? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Guys, now you come in with your little whipped cream, right? You see? Starting to look like a unicorn yet? I don't even know what unicorns look like, okay? When I was a little boy, I remember meeting a unicorn. He was like, Sky, don't tell anybody that we met. And I was like, homeboy, I got you, okay? This was pre-Twitter and Facebook and stuff like that, or I'd have posted a pic, you know? Guess what we got here? We got marshmallows. I know y'all going, but they can't fit. It's a damn unicorn, okay? Okay, you wonder why you didn't see them? Because your eyes aren't advanced enough and mature enough to understand how much candy a unicorn got on it. Y'all was riding ponies. I was riding unicorns back in the Bahamas. And there you have it, unicorn shots, man! I remember my boy, Unicorn, you know? We used to call him, I can't remember, you know? Because he always had this smoke around him, you can't remember much. Anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy, okay? Treat unicorns with respect, okay? Don't abuse them, okay? Because some people, why you gotta beat a unicorn, huh? Okay, it's an animal, show some respect.